When I was 2 years old, my uncles gave me my first skateboard. That gift changed my life forever. The coolest part about skating is just the creativity side of it. All these broken skateboards are made out of hard maple wood, so they're fully repurposable. Usually they'd end up in a landfill, but I take them and I create new things out of them. One of my favorite parts is the process. You could try a trick for hours and then finally get it. And I use that into my woodworking. I've been recycling my skateboards for the last 3 years. I've watched 2 generations of skaters grow up at the skate park I started at. And now I get a chance with recycling skateboards. I can raise money for the local skate scene and build new obstacles. One of my favorite things about being a professional skateboarder is the constant travel to all these events throughout the world. I get to see friends from all over come together and skate a contest. My name's Bachinsky, and I'm a professional skateboarder.